At Car Glass and Trim, we are glass and trim specialists, and it doesn't matter what vehicle you have, from cars, vintage cars, vans and camper vans, to buses, trucks and agricultural machinery, we do the lot. We are a small, independent local company established in 1983. With decades of experience, you can rely on our experienced and knowledgeable team for windscreen and door glass repairs and replacements, van and camper van conversions, and the supply and fit of sunroofs, window tinting and vinyl roofs. Bring your vehicle in to our workshop in Ipswich, where we can perform windscreen and glass repairs and replacements, or take advantage of our mobile service. We will be out to you within 48 hours, sooner if we can, and our mobile van is fully equipped to perform all kinds of glass replacements. All our materials are to OE standards and our technicians are NVQ Level 2 trained, so you can rest assured you're in the best hands. If you're planning to convert your van or camper van into the ultimate camping vehicle, Car Glass and Trim can help. We specialise in installing pop-top roofs, creating extra space to increase storage, add a roof bed, or to give you standing space for cooking. The low profile still allows you to access car parks and most home garages, so you'll have the best of both worlds. We use the best materials and equipment and can guarantee all our workmanship, ensuring you have a leak-free, safe pop-top for years to come. We can also add windows, privacy tints, curtains, LED lights and flooring, including vinyl and carpet, and can transform all make and models of van and camper van. We will always take the time to talk to you and discuss your options to ensure that your van or camper van conversion is tailored to your individual needs. So for all your glass and trim requirements, give us a ring today. Car Glass and Trim, giving you a clear view of the road ahead.